Where's the little chicks? Gosh, the little chicks are no longer little. How big are they now? There you go. Let's have a look. See, Mama's showing them how to eat. That's how you eat, kiddos. Yes, Mama's breaking it up for you. Can you hear the demanding cat? So can I. He wants to be first in the row of feeding. Sheep are also lining up. Little chicks are no longer little, getting big. My lavenders. Lavender Sussexes. Now let's have a look what the sheep are up to. Yes, let's go and have a look. Sheepies. Hi sheepies. Hello. Do you come and eat? I got something for you. Kaino. Hello. Hello. Watch. Yes, darling, would you like some? Well, you can come here. Ay. Who's jumping on the fence? No, down. No, you're not getting it if you jump on a fence. You're nearly breaking the fence, mate. The girl is eating. Go. Oh, stubborn, eh? Stubborn. See, rooster. Now, that rooster thinks he is a sheep. He hangs around with them, so he's waiting for them to move. This one is going to break the fence if I don't move now. Hey guys. Okay, come on. Who's going to get that? Come here. Come here. Nope. Come here. That's a mum. I pull my mum. Come on, darling. You better be quick because they're not going to leave anything for you. Oh, hello. Hello. A little bit, yes. Not too much. There, be quick. You gotta be quick. I'm trying to feed the girls. The boys will eat it all. They could tell them, be quick. Good girl. You do have plenty of grass. This is just a supplement. This is just a little bit to keep you happy. No, boys. Just let the girls eat. Ach, you don't get to eat anything because you're too slow. Come here, boys. Come on. Come on, be quick. Well, you won't get it. I see the boys are getting it. There, quick. Good girl. Okay, there's a girl. There's a fighting. And the last one. That's it. There's the girls. That's it, girls. That's it, Gonski. That's it. Now go and eat grass. How nasty you are, mate. Go and eat grass. Go and eat grass now. Go and eat grass. No more. Yeah, I know. You've got a full mouth. Go and eat grass now. Go and eat grass. Where's our sheep rooster? Go and find the sheep rooster. Where is he? Look, they're going to be standing here asking for more. Hopeful. No, some of them have worked out that they've run out.